anyway, when you go to get your taxes prepared, your preparer should ask for previous tax year's returns. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why they ask for this and why it is important that you comply. So number one, consistency. So when you file taxes, you want to make sure that your tax returns are consistent. What this means is that if you have been claiming children, you want to make sure that you are still claiming the same children, that you're not just claiming kids all in the neighborhood, different kids every year. So they need to see that there's consistency and be able to, inform you or educate you. So if you are doing something like that, your tax preparer will need to say, hey, why are you claiming different kids every year? And you may say, oh, well, I'm a foster parent, or whatever the case may be, because there are things that go on that are legitimate. They may not be common, but they are legitimate. So your professional will work with you to make sure that everything lines up, that you have explanations and disclosures in your tax return when you prepare it, so that you can avoid any issues when you prepare your taxes. You also may have carryover or carry back losses. This may be something that you are not aware of. So if you have prepared your taxes with a professional and you had losses that that you didn't need to apply to your return that year, you already had broke even, or you already were able to get a nice refund, and you needed to carry forward those losses, then the next preparer will need that information so that they can apply it in the event that they are in a year that you don't have enough losses. They can go into that pot and deduct those losses against any income that you have that may be causing you to owe taxes. And last but not least, accuracy. So we want to see your previous year tax return so that we can make sure that we're filing everything accurately. Sometimes taxpayers will make mistakes. You may forget about a business. You may forget about a small interest account. You may forget about things, which is understandable. Tax time is a very hectic time. A lot of times you're relying on documents to be sent to be able to make sure that you're organized and you have everything. So everything that you actually own or have may not be on the top of your mind at that time. Previous tax returns allows professionals to be able to look through and make sure everything that you own, everything that you have, that you are reporting that, so that there's no issues with the IRS. So if your tax preparer asks for your previous tax returns, do them a favor, get that information over to them, because it helps you. This benefits you so that there's no issue, that there's a smooth process when you prepare your taxes. You do not want any kickbacks. You do not want any audits from the IRS. It's extremely time consuming, very costly. I hope this helps.